Remove the cable jacket for approximately 4 centimeters. Pull back the braid and roll it around the cable jacket. Keep the braid for 1 centimeter length, which is the perfect length to contact the grounding on jacks. Split each pair. Remove the foil of each pair. Open the keystone jack, take out the cap, and spread all pairs through the gap, and seat each pair to its designated slot. Remember, always deal with screen pair first. Trim flush along each side. Seat the wire loaded cap into the keystone jack and press a little for positioning. There's a full proving here. Ensure the slotted fillister is matching the trapezoid rib. Close the hinge evenly by pressing the cover at each side till you hear the click sound, which you will not hear right now because we are still slightly adjusting the locking. Then finally, wrap around the strap to secure the grounding, and it's done. I would like to show you how to disassemble the jack. Insert the flat screwdriver into the gap and roll it a little bit at each side. So the hinge covers are open. Insert the flat screwdriver underneath and lever. So you are now ready to do the retermination.